Hello, friends. Welcome back to math. Today we're going to talk about measurement. Have you heard of this word before? Measurement. So, when you want to measure something, it means you want to find out the size or amount of something. So, you want to know, for example, you want to know how long it is, or you want to know, how tall is the boy? Or you want to know how heavy these fruits are. So for measurement, it means you want to know the size, the height, and the weight or the length of it. Okay. So for length, it means you want to know how long it is. We have two pencils here. How long are these two pencils? Which one is longer? Which one is shorter? We can usually tell the answer from looking at the picture. The longer one is always that stretch longer, right? So it's the bottom one. This one is longer, and the upper one is shorter. If we want to be more detailed, we can use something. We can use a circle, we can use like a bead or eraser. We can use the same thing and then we put them right next to each other to measure it. For example, the upper pencil, how long it is 1, 2, 3, 3 beads long. What about the bottom pencil? How long it is? We will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we will say the bottom pencil is 15 beads long. So 3 and 15. Of course, 15 is bigger, so the bottom one is longer. Okay? That's how we usually do with solving how long something is. When you go to your first grade, you may use a ruler. So for example, you see this pencil here, it falls down the number 1. For example, it's like 1 centimeter. And if we look at the bottom pencil, it's as long as 6 centimeter. So 1 centimeter and 6 centimeters. And 6 is larger than 1, so we will say the bottom pencil is longer. Longer. It stretch wider. Besides knowing how long something is, we also need to know how tall it is. For example, I see a pig and a giraffe. How tall it is. Which one is taller? Well, it's very obvious because the giraffe is taller. It is taller. It can reach more to the top, right? And so we'll say the giraffe is taller and the pig is shorter. If we stack some blocks next to them, we will see, how tall is the pig? It's as tall as 2 blocks, right? As tall as 2 blocks. What about the giraffe? Let's see. Wow, it's almost at the top. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's as tall as 5 blocks. So 5 is larger than 2, and we will say the giraffe is taller. And the last thing we need to know is to compare how heavy two things are. So now we have an empty paper bag, and we also have an apple. Which one do you think is heavier? Well, some of my friends may think the paper bag is heavier because it is bigger. But my friends, please be careful. When if a thing is very big, that doesn't mean it has to be heavier, okay? For example, we put these two things onto a scale. This is a scale. Let's put a paper bag on the right and an apple on the left. And we see, look at the scale, what happened? The one with apple in it, it actually goes down more, right? It means the apple is heavier. And the paper bag is actually lighter. It is light. It's not that heavy. And the weight of the paper bag is 55 grams. And the weight of an apple is 100 grams. So look at these two numbers. Which one is smaller? Of course, 55 is smaller. 55 is smaller than 100. So, since it's smaller, the paper bag is lighter. Okay? It is lighter. That's how we compare which one is heavy, which one is light. You can use the scale. You can use the scale to help you. The one that goes up is lighter. The one goes down is heavier. Okay, this question is left to you to answer. So how will you describe this fire truck? You can tell me how long it is, and is it longer? Is it short? Or is it heavy? Is it light? How will you describe this fire truck? I will give you about 20 seconds to think about that. Okay, so for Miss Rose, I will describe this fire truck as I think it's very long. It is long. Is that tall? Is it tall? I don't think it's that tall. And is it heavy? It will be heavy. This fire truck will be very heavy. Look at how many tools it will be put in it. And look at the ladder. It must be very heavy. So this fire truck is long and heavy. So that's the end of our math class today, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!